Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I have a wireless rechargeable mouse. So rechargeable means that you can charge this mouse with your cell phone charger. You don't have to insert the batteries and buy the batteries every time. You can recharge this mouse with the cell phone charger. That's why I bought it. I bought this charger for 120 rand in South Africa. So let me open it and show you how it looks. So this is the cable. I'm not gonna use this cable, we're gonna use our cell phone cable. In the box we have this mouse. There's nothing in the box, so that's how it looks. This is your wireless receiver for PC. Never lose this unit. If you use this wireless receiver, you will never be able to find it again for this specific mouse. So then you have to buy the whole rechargeable mouse again. So I'm gonna put it back onto this specific space. It feels so good. So that's how you charge it with your normal cell phone charger, and now it's charging. You can see the battery inside. Yeah, it's quite good. It's not bad, it's very good actually. It feels nice.